Strap it on, Reebok!
Health Class Heroes.
Does this make you want to ride a bike even more?
I mean, I think I'm ready.
You think you're ready?
I think I'm ready.
Okay, we'll start you off on the sidewalk.
Okay.
Then we will
Floor it when we get to stop signs.
No, Dri. We're not going to floor it.
Why not?
Because I don't want to puff into a balloon like Mrs. Puff at the end of every SpongeBob episode.
But I want to.
Oh, SpongeBob. Why?
Chris is here. He's producing today because
He's producing.
Yeah, he's producing stool.
Yes.
And so that we can learn about bike safety and whatnot. So
Bicycle Safety Camp is brought to you by the makers of Triaminic cough and cold products.
Brought
Because
to you
at
by cough
Triaminic,
syrup.
We want your children to get
remember,
well
before you go
and stay
biking,
well.
have some NyQuil. Oh, yeah.
They can't be serious. Does that kid have a boombox?
He has a boombox.
And that.
Scores
Oh,
on the field,
Lord.
speeds down
Oh, the
the block.
8-year-old kid is named Boomer.
Okay, boomer.
Julie ran a stop
Make
sign on the
America
way to the
great
mall.
again.
Dad took her charge cards, and that's not all.
This kid's 4.
With a pink backpack. Yeah, so tough. I'd be scared of an 8-year-old.
But he's got fingerless gloves, so that means he's dangerous.
Oh, I'm scared. What was he playing with?
He's clearly playing with his snake. It's innocent.
Wakey, wakey, hands off, Snakey.
Where's the cafeteria? It's almost time for my granola bar and our natural soda. No goalposts,
All
no
natural
trash.
soda.
This can't be really nothing but
It's really RC Cola.
Where's the
We just told her it's natural.
library to read my bike book. What kind of camp is this? Would you guys all just give it up?
Oh, man, we got Speedy. Whew. Impressive.
MCU, are you paying attention? That's your next Quicksilver.
Love it, gonna beg for more. You're gonna say, Sam Sprocket, I just can't get enough. By
Sam
the time
Sprocket,
this
that's a
chapter's
great
done,
name.
you'll love
I
this
just
safety
can't
stuff.
get enough.
You sing, squirm, and crawl, all embarrassed or hurt.
Do you think that's choreo or improv?
I was just trying to figure out what accent that was.
And you won't risk your life, and you won't skin your knees.
Ooh.
You're gonna ride safe and love it.
Ride safe and love it. Ooh.
Now, your parents sent you to bike safety camp to learn about bike safety. So, you had better listen to what I have to say about bike safety.
How many
if
times
you
can
do
we
not
say bike
pass
safety?
my bike
You'll never
safety
get this
course,
bike
I didn't hear
safety.
you. Bike
But you will love it.
Now, any questions? Yes.
Could you repeat that?
Yes, I said any questions. All right, everybody grab a bike and let's get ready to roll. Wrong.
I made a mistake already? All we did is touch the bike. Bike helmets are for babies.
You'll eat those words.
He's right.
Even if you're not dead, there are so many ways just to
What is that
smack on the head
forehead?
can ruin all your
The
days.
helmet's not fitting on that head.
No.
It's going to cover his eyes.
And be in lots of pain.
Cause you know that your brain is inside your head.
Is it? I thought it was in my ass.
If you break it, you're dead.
You need to break to read. And ski.
Yeah,
You
let's
need
go
to break
skiing on
yourself
some
to
grass.
watch TV.
Let's go skiing in June.
That's
Yeah.
folks use helmets for the work they do. Pilots, drillers, firemen, wide receivers too.
I wonder how cough syrup paid for that
Jet
footage.
pilots, people who race cars. Baseball stars.
Baseball
If it doesn't slide around,
stars!
you know it fits you well. Be sure it's labeled ANSI or else smell. And it's tough outside, you'll have the safest ride. So I'm
This
begging
is
you,
just
Reebok,
branding.
wear
This is
a
the only
helmet,
brand you
please.
have to wear.
Helmet every single time you ride. Strap it on, Reebok.
Wear it if you ride little or if you ride a lot. Wear it riding on the sidewalk
They couldn't think of a
or
rhyme for
out
that
through
one.
the woods.
I appreciate the effort.
Wear it even when you're riding in the neighborhoods.
Strap it on, Reebok. Wear your helmet with
If the producers wore a helmet, they may not have made this.
Strap it on,
Firmly the
Reebok.
ground. Good. And you guys, tuck in your shirts. Come on, you too, Reebok.
He's like, "Hmm."
Tuck it in, you pussy.
No problem.
Ka-chow.
Ka-chow.
Wonderful things can happen when you're wearing a bicycle helmet.
I don't think anything good happens in a bike helmet.
Divine.
One, you're riding a bike.
Which I don't know how to do. So I'm trying to learn.
See ya?
Man, you should tuck in your pant legs. I got my pant legs caught in my chain once and went flying into a wall.
Excellent catch, Rebop. Now, what else can Boomer do to keep his pants from getting...
They couldn't pay an actor enough to do that, so they had to draw it.
Like, hey Karen, we want you to fall on your face.
Hey, it kind of looks like me with the eyelashes.
Don't worry, we'll draw some eyelashes. Make
Photoshop me onto that real quick. Just-
and then go, ah! It was funnier the second time. I don't know why.
Oh, I'm crying.
Man, you should tuck in your pant legs. How come? I got my pant legs caught in my chain once and went flying into a wall.
It wouldn't have happened if you
Excellent
weren't
catch,
wearing
Rebop.
any.
Now, what else can Boomer do to keep his pants from getting caught?
Tuck them into a sock.
Cut them
Roll
up,
them up.
Daisy Duke them.
Velcro with bike
The
straps.
bikinis
All right.
on top.
Now, remember, your bicycle is your
Just
machine.
tie
and
it.
Your
Be
friend.
a man.
So take care of two.
Are they singing right now?
Oh, they're singing. I loved when he rapped before.
Wow.
This is the next banger.
This is like
You ride.
Dude, Kanye's gonna sample this.
I'm gonna request this at the club.
Check out your bicycle before you ride.
Time to take it to the streets and the sidewalk for you.
The sidewalk for you, loser.
I need extra time to check my bike book.
Wow, this is like they're like bullying this
Come on,
kid.
kid.
I'm taking you two on a residential street. And you two
I want
on
a
a country
neon
road.
wife beater. That looks cool.
Now, Arthur, there are cars.
Tragic death.
We're gonna put you on the most dangerous
Sometimes
street.
animals on the- Even sometimes animals on the road. I hope you're not thinking of riding on your pal's handlebars, Rebop.
You shouldn't ride on anybody's handlebars, right?
Right.
I
it's
can
not
ride
so
my
My
bike
bike
with
with
no
no
handlebars.
outside is kind of
No
outside.
handlebars.
In fact, it's never safe to
Low
ride with two
bots.
people
Oh
on a bike.
man.
How can you be in 3 places at once?
I'm a magical kind of guy.
I'm a magical guy. Right at the camera.
Stop, stop. Look all about. Wait till nobody's coming, then move out.
Wait,
Oh, his accent's strong in this one.
wait till nobody's coming, then pull out.
Nobody's coming.
Premature.
Then move out.
It's always the most annoying when there's like a family of bicyclists.
Stop riding in a zigzag motion, like it's Game of Thrones.
I wonder how many takes this took them.
That's a really good point, Tree, because I think there was 8 kids before. Now there's only 5.
Miss Frizzle got a hold of the other ones.
Traffic. The cars get uptight.
I think Donnie Sprocket just misfrizzled these kids.
That's a verb.
They look tired. Why did they seem further back in that scene?
That's power editing right there.
Make sure to ride on busy streets to bother other motorists as they can't get around you.
Take up the whole lane.
Just be in their way. If you're not in their way, you're not doing it right.
We're gonna ride our bikes to
What's that
Starbucks.
say? So what do you do?
No, you floor it.
Floor it! Floor it! No, SpongeBob! Don't floor it!
He didn't see anybody coming, but a car was coming through real fast and knocked him flat. He was in the hospital all summer, and now he rides a wheelchair.
No scream this time?
You could have had a man scream. Like a thud.
I'm falling and I can't get up.
Or Peter Griffin.
When it's time
Ah.
to learn, here's what you got to learn. Look, to make sure it's
I wouldn't leave my children alone with this man.
right.
Left. Wait, did you just do the Heil Hitler? Yes, right.
Right.
I love how he does this thinking will help them hear better.
Then give him a sign and you'll be fine. Then give him a sign and you'll be
Not all the
fine.
time.
Then
Give him a sign and you'll be fine.
You signal left.
Where I'm from, that could get a gun pulled on you. So,
Brake before you turn. Slow down a bit. Smooth
Okay.
turns, don't swerve.
I'm learning so
That's
much.
Right, that's
But don't
it.
worry, Dri.
Floor it.
Before you turn. Slow down a
No,
bit.
no, Dri.
Don't
Don't
swerve.
floor
That's
it.
right, that's
cut
it.
to me trying to ride a bike for the first time.
Here's an intersection.
Oh, man.
That's what we do.
Do you have a bike, Chris?
No, I have a scooter.
But don't worry, Dri. We'll start you off on the sidewalk.
Okay. When you say you're not gonna let go, you won't let go, right?
Sure.
Okay.
An intersection's a dangerous place. Get off and
Intersections are a
walk.
dangerous place. That's where hookers and crack are dealt.
So that's why they're going there.
Pass pedestrians on the left. Now be sure to talk to him when you pass him.
Excuse me.
Good.
Excuse me, Mr. Buttafuoco. I love that mullet. He had a great mullet. He was up to no good.
Concentrate. Use your head.
Concentrate on what's ahead.
It's a lady up ahead.
It's Elaine Bennis.
Yo, lady, you shut up.
Excuse me, Elaine.
Now, when it gets dark outside, get off your bike and walk them home.
It's dark outside. It hasn't changed.
But it'll be a few years before you guys are ready for safe night riding.
Why are they riding bikes at night? They pushing drugs?
I've got connections. So far, but you still have to pass my test.
Tess?
Yes, when I tune in on my TV screen, you guys had better be following the rules or else you won't pass. And then you'll have to stay and take my bicycle safety course all over again.
Oh, so this is just like when I had to take that 8-hour course because I got 3 violations.
Yeah, like a team.
What?
So then nobody passes
Oh,
unless
it's just in
everybody
Boston.
passes.
Okay. Just Boston.
All
Yeah,
right, then.
Boston
those are the
driving.
rules. All right, Reed and Rebop. head
Cape
on
Cod
out.
rules are different.
Clearly. That's why I almost got pulled over on the way here.
Oh.
Uh-oh, look what's up ahead.
Look at me! Hey, how many fingers am I holding up?
They're looking straight ahead.
How many fingers am I holding up, huh?
Why is he trying to distract these kids?
The Killer Clowns from 2016.
What concentration?
Now
Why
we're
is he
gonna-
saying that to kids? How many fingers am I holding up? Were you just in the drunk tank?
How many fingers am I holding up, Marv? 8.
Ride with a posse.
Yes. Did you see that?
And I see so many people riding against traffic. They clearly didn't see this video.
Every time I see that, I'm going to stop them and make them watch it.
Let's see if they can get out of this one. He looked over his
This
shoulder.
man, these two are clearly suicidal in the suit.
I love them. I love these kids. All right, little guy, now it's your turn. He stops and looks both ways.
Why are they leaving this kid by himself again?
He's the last one to be left alone. Like,
Look at how
he
straight he's
should not
riding.
be left alone.
And they've left him on the busiest street.
Excuse me.
Yes,
It's
yes.
a different guy with a mullet. He still had a mullet though.
I don't think that would alert anyone. Just as you're going by, saying, "Excuse me."
Excuse me, I'd like to get by now.
So you've all learned the rules, and camp is done.
This guy has 3 different dance moves. He has the body roll. He has the.
I think they'll work on TikTok though.
Oh yeah, I might. I wonder where that guy is now.
Getting on knees.
Let's look it up after.
Probably riding safely and loving it.
Now on. That's the way. Yeah, ride safe every day.
Don't ride on handlebars.
Why not?
When you're riding on the walk, if you're passing someone, talk. Excuse me. Look front, back, and around.
He definitely thought this was his big break.
Single time you ride. Strap it on, kids. Wear your helmets with pride. Wear
Strap it on.
your helmet when it's hot. Wear it
Strap it on, Reebok.
only if you
Woo! Brought to you by cough syrup.
wear a helmet every single time you ride. Strap it on, kids. Wear your helmets with pride.
Just wear the helmet, even when you're not riding a bike.
Protect you from further brain damage. Oh, they get to take the bikes with them?
You have to take bikes
Wow.
with them, and they're going home together. But the kid is still alone. The littlest kid is still by himself. Oh!
This video is way too long for what it's trying to do.
Bicycle safety
Oh, he
camp
pin
has
dropped
been brought
on
to
them.
you by the makers of Try a Minute Cops and Cold Products. Because the more your children know, the safer they'll be.
This is brought to you by
Bicycle
Cops.
safety video
I just shook the
bicycle
crap out of
safety
your camera too with that one.
cooperation with the American Academy.
I love how your sweatshirt is tucked into your jeans.
Perfect bike riding attire.
That's right. Bicycle safety camp, IMDb, 5.8 out of 10. The only person with a headshot on this IMDb page is Jim Perry, so I can't imagine anybody else is in anything.
Okay, so they all have no.
They're all TikTok trolls. Okay.
There's no pictures. And then there's Jim, good old Jim. That's it.
Jim's headshot hasn't changed in 30 years.
They all died from the lack of protection.
They all died on their bicycles.
Yeah, lack of
They floated at a stop
Styrofoam
sign.
it's like the end of Breakfast Club. Hey, 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 hey! Sam Sprocket dead. He was hit by a car.
Don't you forget about Sam.
Will you? Sam is unrecognizable. Hit by an Audi and a Buick.
Audi and Buick.
Arthur keeps
Sponsored by
falling down. Hey, hey, hey.
That's the best part of the whole video.
We learn about meth. That's clearly what he was doing at the end there. That's why they had the cough medicine. The cough medicine advertisement.
Yeah, so none of them have acting careers, but they all like to post their political opinions on Twitter.
Yes, they all have strong opinions on Facebook.
So boomers on Twitter. Arthur's a huge pussy.
Grab him by the handlebars.
Say, I don't understand why Rita's not standing for the flag.
Don't let people tell you what to do. You don't need no helmet. Be a man.
I'm tired of this bike helmet theater. Stop it.
Forget stop signs. I'll stop when I want.
Boomer's saying, I don't understand why the other kids in my class just don't shut up and dribble.
Just shut up and pedal, all right?
I think that's a great joke to end on. Stay tuned, but here's some alt endings. Enjoy.
On Wednesdays, we wear pink.
And one time at band camp, we weren't supposed to have pillow fights.
What are you doing?
Dance off, bro. Me and you.
I'd buy that for $1.
What is your name?
I told you.
It doesn't matter what your name is.
Hey, little bro, life's tough. Get a helmet.
You lost today, kid. It doesn't mean you have to like it.
You want me to ask for my bike back?
What bike?
The beach cruiser. The one I let you use a couple of weeks ago.
Oh, that bike.
Hey, no, you wanted it back, homie.
I hope you're not thinking of riding on your pal's handlebars, Reba.
I can ride my bike with no handlebars. No.
Yeah, he'll probably fall off to break every bone in his body.
Nice, Dwight.
Well, I'm just saying it happens. My cousin Ray Ray, boop, dead.
Path pedestrians on the left.
Don't say it. Don't you say it.
Left.
Come on!
Speaking of which, you know how I got these scars?
Oh, I'm sorry. Did I break your concentration?
Excuse me.
What?
I'd like to get fined now.
Out of my face, you little dweeb.
Because at Try a Minute, we want your children